Hi, this is Saturday 19th of March 2016. Just giving you an update on the Narrowboat. Basically the last couple of days have been quite fine weather, so I've just been working on the outsides. So down the gunwale here I've got all the rust off, used rust colour and just painted it with grey oxide, and around the side here just been smoothing off the edges with body filler and just painted with grey oxide. Same here, just gone around the outsides with body filler where the welds were, then just painted with grey oxide, chipped away the flaky side of the boat and just painted that with grey oxide. Here, this is where the old shower was, so I've filled in the screw holes and cleaned the rust off and body fillered it. And this bit here, there's a the old welding, it just like went in the bit, so I'm just filling that up with body filler. And this bit here, this is where the new shower is, so where I screwed the screws straight through the side of the boat, I've cut them off and body fillered it in. And also you probably see by the shape of the body filler, there used to be a window there, and since I've screwed the wooden inside of the shower where the tiles are going on, it's changed the outside a little bit, so I've just added some more body filler in just to smooth out the outside. And I'll paint that. And also down here I've cleaned all the rust off and killed the rust and just painted it with grey oxide. And around the back here I've just cleaned all the rust out of the gas chamber and just painted that with oxide. And that's it for an update of the Narrowboat. As I just killing the rust and painting it and all that, it doesn't look like it's moving on that quickly, but it's all job's been done. And on the top there you can see the blue triangles for the decking. I did that a few days ago as well. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.